In today's session, we will try to understand the introduction to Tally. Tally Solutions is co-founded in the year 1986 by Shyamsundar Goenka and his son Bharat Shyamsundar Goenka by the name of the company Putronics. In the year 1986, Tally is started by the name of Putronics and later it has been renamed as Tally Solution. Let us understand the journey of Tally Solutions from 1986. In the year 1986, Putronics Private Limited is being established, and later on in 1988, the product which it is producing is renamed as Tally in the year 1988. Later, in the year 1997, Windows-based version 5.4 was released by Tally. Tally 5.4 was released in the year 1997. Later, in the year 1999, the name of the company changed from Putronics Private Limited to Tally Solutions. Prior to that, it was Putronics. In 1999, the name Tally Solutions is being given. Next, in the year 2005, the Tally version 7.2 was released, which has VAT requirements in it. VAT is enabled in the version of 2005. Later in the year 2006, 8.1 version of Tally is released where concurrent multilingual facility is included. The multilingual facility is that where the records that or the accounting that records are maintained in Tally that can be seen in 13 different languages. If we enter in English, it can be seen in 13 different languages. That is the concept of multilingual version. Next, in the year 2009, Tally ERP 9 is being bought out from the Tally Solutions, which is a complete business solution. In the year 2015, Tally ERP 9 also included the features of taxation. Prior to that, there were only two features, that is accounting features and inventory features. Later on, it included taxation features also. The taxation features include like TDS, TCS, excise duty, service tax. All these things are included in statutory and taxation feature of Tally in the year 2015. Later on, in 2016, it has been shortlisted for GST Suvidha Provider. Later, in 2017, when GST is being introduced, it has launched its updated version of GST compliance software. So it has started its journey from 1986 as Putronics Private Limited, and now it is having its version of Tally ERP 9, which is inbuilt having the GST features also, wherein all the GST records can be automatically maintained by Tally while we are entering the transactions using the GST enabled Tally software. Let us understand in a cut short in the various versions of Tally. Tally 4.5 used MS-DOS version, which is a command-oriented interface, and in Tally 5.5, Windows operating system is introduced, and in 5.4, import of data facility is being introduced. Import of data means the data can be imported from the other file structures. Next, in Tally 6.3, ODBC connectivity is being added. ODBC's connectivity, it acts as a calculator. Whatever the calculations that we need to make while during the accounting procedure, we can do using ODBC server. And next we have 7.2, which includes VAT, TDS, TCS, and service tax modules into it. In 8.1, multilingual support is being included. As we have discussed 13 different languages, we can see the reports that we have created in Tally. That is a very good feature of Tally. And Tally 9.0, which included payroll, point of sale modules, which are very important for a big organizations, and Tally ERP9, where we have remote access and more powerful data security. In Tally, there are two types of data security: normal data security and Tally Vault. Normal data security, we have username and password, whereas Tally Vault is the highest level of security, wherein it is very difficult to break the password. Difficult, or sometimes it is not possible to break the password. So that is two levels of security are being provided in Tally ERP9. So this is the journey of Tally ERP9 from the Queutronics to Tally Solutions. Thank you.